Hello, today I would like to show you how to write Band 9 introduction for double question essays. If you've been following our series, I've written for many ones, and now this is the last one where I'll write for double question essays. So first of all, we're going to write general intro. This one is an optional, as if you can, I think you can remember that you can skip it easily. The second one is paraphrase statement. We will paraphrase this part. So the third part is a today's sentence where we will answer for these questions. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so now I have to paraphrase this one where it says fossil fuels are essential for producing electricity, powering industry and fueling transportation. However, one day we will reach a point when all the world's fossil fuels have been depleted. This one is our statement. Now I have two questions. What can sorry about this. How can we conserve these resources? What are some alternatives to fossil fuels? And the other one is consumers are no, sorry about this. So before moving to the second one, I want to write about this one. Okay. So presently the world mainly depends on non-renewable, sorry about this, or non-renewable. So I'm changing this fossil fuels. Instead of fossil fuels, I'm trying to use non-renewable sources for obtaining energy requirements. However, there will come a time when humans can no longer rely on using fossil fuels due to not having enough for essential activities. Well, as you can see, we paraphrase it. Now I'm gonna write this parts. So hence this essay will discuss the methods such as reducing excess reducing excess usage and different power sources people can adopt in future. Sorry about this again. Here, let me follow this. So as you can see, that's paraphrased properly right here. This means exactly this one with different vocabulary and just different grammar here. We answered for double questions where we answered how can we conserve the resources and what some alternatives to fossil fuels. And yeah, we accomplished what we've been asked. Now we have to move to the other one. In here we have a question where it says consumers are faced with increasing number of advertisements from competing companies. To what extent do you think consumers influenced by advertisements? What measures can be taken to protect them? Now I'm going to start with paraphrasing this one, then I'll answer this part questions. Okay, introduction is real simple, so let's get started. So people see many advertisements. I hope you can understand what difference it has, like advertising, okay, adverts or everything, because the adjectives, adverbs, nouns, so you have to pay attention what you are using. Now I have to use a noun here. From multiple organizations promoting their products and believe that this movement certainly creates an urge to purchase the advertised items. So now I'm gonna write so I'm gonna write this part. In this essay, I will discuss the important no, not important, what can the impacts, like the impact, let's say impact, because I'll only write one more, impact of this, and elaborate on the ways to safeguard the customers. Okay, yeah, now we have introduction for our double question essays. Now, I don't think this was really hard, where we paraphrase it and then we wrote it as a sentence. I hope you can do this with ease, after some practicing. Obviously, you may have some hard time if you don't practice and if you just follow your own grammar and vocabulary, because you need to improve before writing this. Well, now I want to say thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe as always, because I'm working on editing and I'm trying to create the best series ever possible, but it takes time, obviously, so please keep supporting. But I promise that I deliver the highest quality videos ever possible. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.